This feel-good story is of a kind-hearted woman helping a little bird fly. She first met this birdie when she found it on the ground after returning home one day.
You wanna fly?
It didn't take much for her to win the flappy fella's trust. Soon she discovered that the bird was healthy and just needed a break.
What y'all do?
You're doing it. Here.
So she let it rest until it showed signs of wanting to fly.
Nice. Nice. Okay. Yeah. Very good. No. Ready? 1, 2 here. Okay. You got it? Are you gonna do it? Yeah. You need a higher height. Ready? We go together. Okay, ready? Can you fly if I throw you? I don't want you to get hurt. Ready? Yeah? Set. Fly, baby. Ready? Go. Go ahead. Go. Can you do it? Spread your wings. Yes.
And once it did, she put the bird in a perched position on her hand and had it spread out its wing to get things going.
Go. Is that better? Go ahead. Spread the wings.
She pumped her hand up and down to let it feel the wind under its wings.
Yeah.
Once the bird got the hang of it, it started flying short distances around the lady's yard.
Yes! Yes! Okay. Come on.
Eventually, it soared off over the river and into the sky.
Nice! Yes!
If we had to pick one word to describe how this story made us feel, we would say delightful. What about you?